Hey everybody, Derek here with my 5 beard commandments. Brush and comb your beard. I use a natural boar bristle brush on my beard, which really stimulates the follicles and just kind of gets everything moving around. And then I use a natural wood comb to finish it off. Trim the beard. I trim my beard a few times a week. I like to keep it at a certain length, and I like to just keep it looking sculpted. So I take a little bit off the sides and just a little bit off the bottom. I don't use clippers on my beard because it doesn't give me the look that I want. I just trim it, trim some flyaways and take a little bit off the bottom. Oil the beard. So I oil my beard at night, just as a nice nighttime treatment. And I also oil my beard after I get out of the shower to retain the moisture in the hair and on the skin. I use Everyman Jack's cedarwood oil. It smells awesome. Wash your beard. Your beard, although it's coarser than your head hair, it is still hair. It still needs to be washed, and a little bit of conditioner won't hurt either. I wash my beard 3 times a week. Take some supplements for your beard. If you think you have trouble growing a beard, so you've never tried, supplements definitely help. I take LuckyVitamin collagen powder twice a day as my new protein supplement. I used to take whey protein, plant protein. Now I'm sticking with collagen because A, it's a great protein source, and B, I get all the added benefits of healthy hair and skin. Also, I take LuckyVitamin hair, skin, and nails formula, 2 tablets every day. It's got a great dose of biotin plus 24 other ingredients to help support hair growth. So those are my 5 beard commandments. I used to be a guy that thought I couldn't grow a beard. Now I'm this guy.